Question number 5. I have a polynomial of the sixth degree given, and I need to find all the complex roots, real and not real. For that, I am going to use the rational zeros theorem. I'm going to list the possible factors of 4. P refers to 4, so I will have 1, 2, and 4. And Q, referring to 3, I would have 1 and 3. So the possible rational zeros would be plus or minus 1 over 1, plus or minus 1 over 3, plus or minus 2 over 1, plus or minus 2 over 3, plus or minus 4 over 1, plus or minus 4 over 3. So my next step is to use synthetic division and try some of those to find the factors. So let me first list all the coefficient of f of x: 3, -1, -12, +7, -1, -12, and 4. Now, you need to try them out, okay? But here, we're not going to do all of them, and all what I need to see is the end result. So I will have negative or positive 2. I will have negative 1, and I will also have positive 1/3. So how does it look like, and what do I need to see? I'm going to first put negative 1. So I will have 3 plus nothing is 3, times -1, -3, minus 1 is -4, times -1 is +4, minus 8, minus 12 is -8, times -1 is +8. Here I've got 15, -15, -16, +16, 4, -4, and 0. And then I'm going to keep going. So now I'm going to use 2. So I'll have 3, 6, 2, 4, -4, -8, 7, 14, -2, -4, and then 0. And I keep going. So I would have now -2. I'll have 3, -6, -4, 8, 4, -8, -1, +2, and 0. And I keep going one more time. And I'm going to try this time 1/3. So I have 3 divided by 3 is 1, -3. Divided by 3 is -1. I've got 3. Divided by 3 is +1, and I have indeed 0. From those successive synthetic division, I can conclude that f of x equals x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 1/3 times, so all of those come from these using the factor theorem. And do not forget this one here is going to be 3x squared minus 3x plus 3. And then I'm going to factor out the 3 from this last factor. And so I'll have x squared minus x plus 1. And here I cannot go further. So, because this, you can try it, but that's a prime. You will eventually get the complex numbers anyway. We're going to check. We're going to use the quadratic formula to solve it, to solve that part. So f of x equals 0 will be equivalent to x equals -1 or x equals +2 or x equals -2 or x equals +1/3 or x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. So let me get the discriminant is going to be -1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1, which is 1 minus 4, which is -3. And the square root of this discriminant would be I square root of 3. And therefore, x would be equal to -b, which is -1, which is +1, plus or minus I square root of 3 over twice a, which is twice 1.